Hey guys, David here. So you're probably wondering, can I really stay at home and make money in my PJs day in and day out online? Well, I'm here to save you some time because here are 10 different work from home jobs that you can make $100 a day in 2020 and beyond from working in your PJs. So let's get started. Work from home job number 10 is actually becoming a book publisher. Now, before you click off of this video, you can actually become a book publisher without writing any words. So what I mean is you can actually create what are called no content or low content books on Amazon, and you can make money selling blank books. Yes, you can make $100 a day selling blank books on Amazon. And basically all there is to it is creating the cover of the book and then just creating a design of lines for that book inside of some kind of software like Google Slides. Super easy, super simple. There's going to be other videos on my channel all about that. Now, work from home job number 9 is becoming a copywriter. Now, copywriting is a skill. It's a type of writing that you use in order to get somebody to purchase something online. So this could be writing, say, an Amazon description for a product, or an e-commerce description, or a course sales page, or an email. Anything that's going to get somebody to take an action online and make a purchase. And these kind of writers are worth a lot of money because they provide a service that actually makes the person who's hiring them money back. So in order to do this, I would just go on to Upwork, I would start my profile, I would make it all about copywriting, and I would go ahead and start looking up YouTube videos, reading blog posts, and getting my hands on a bunch of copywriting books from Amazon and all that good stuff in order to start learning copywriting, because it's a highly valuable skill that's not going to go away, and it's a perfect way to make money from home in your PJs in 2020. Now, along the same lines as becoming a copywriter is number 8 work from home job, and that's becoming a freelance writer. Now, freelance writing basically is you're kind of like a jack of all trades, right? So you write different kinds of material for people who need writing. So maybe it's a blog post, maybe it's a research article, maybe it's an email, maybe it's an introduction to a book. Who knows? But you are basically that freelance writer. And in order to make good money as a freelance writer, I would suggest niching down to a specific niche. So maybe you want to write about science. Maybe you want to write about psychology. Maybe you want to write about making money online. Find your niche, and then clients will be more likely to hire you because you become that expert inside of that niche when it comes to freelance writing. Number 7 on our list is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, becoming a virtual assistant is a lot easier than the previous 2 that I listed, the freelance writer and the copywriter, because when you're becoming a virtual assistant, basically you handle these day-to-day easy tasks like doing a calendar, answering phone calls, maybe writing out to-dos, different tasks like that the person who is hiring you just doesn't have time to do or doesn't want to do. So when you're becoming a virtual assistant, my recommendation is to put yourself out there on places like Upwork and make your profile centered around becoming a virtual assistant, and then see what other people are charging for their service and then offer kind of a similar rate as those people. And then just put yourself out there asking for jobs in different niches and for different companies, because when you're a virtual assistant, you don't really have to niche down. You can basically be a virtual assistant for as many different kinds of businesses as you would like. Number 6 on our list is becoming a course creator. Now, that may seem a little scary and it may seem to be like a daunting task, but you can create a course about anything and you can charge whatever price that you want to charge for that course. So you could create a course for how to make money on YouTube. You could create a course for how to do makeup. You could do a course on how to train dogs. You could do a course on how to jump higher. There's basically endless amounts of ideas for you to be able to create courses about. And when you create your course, it's a one-time and done. So you create it and you don't have to mess with it any longer. And then all you need is just to attract people to that course in order to sell that course to them. I would recommend creating YouTube videos around a certain niche, getting people on your YouTube channel, and then making sure that they click the link below your video to your course so that you can make money. And actually, you can host your course on a place called Teachable for free. They just take a cut out of what you make from your course sales. Number 5 is becoming an iPhone reseller. So you're going to be using Facebook Marketplace in order to buy broken iPhones, and then you're going to be reselling them on eBay. Now, in order to do this, it's great to find a lot of people who have broken iPhones from different cities on the Facebook marketplace. And then what you need to do is tell them that you're a reseller and then bargain the price with them to get it low enough to where you can make a good amount of money by reselling it on eBay, making sure that you cover your shipping costs and all the fees associated with selling on eBay. This is a great business for anybody who really wants to work at home. Sure, you're gonna have to travel and meet people in public places in order to buy those cell phones, but you can make a lot of money doing this because you're gonna be getting a high return on your investment. Because I would target those broken iPhones that people just wanna get rid of, offer them a low enough price that you can go ahead and make money off of it, and then just list it on eBay with maybe like a 3-day setting so that it really sells fast and you don't have a bunch of stock left over. Number 4 is doing e-commerce. So creating an e-commerce store is one of the best ways to make money in 2020 and beyond, because there are so many people who are looking to buy products online. And if you create an e-commerce store around a certain niche, and then you use Facebook ads or maybe Instagram in order to promote that store, you could make money by just drop shipping products from a place called AliExpress in China. So you're using China products and you're reselling them on your website, drop shipping them, so you don't have to do any of that sort of pack and ship. And then you charge more so that you make profit off of each item that you sell. It is a great business model. Tons of people are making thousands and thousands of dollars on it. I highly recommend doing e-commerce to work from home. Number 3 on our list is becoming a proofreader or an editor. So a lot of people don't want to take the time to go through the grammar and to go through proofreading what they have written for their blog posts, their articles, their emails, and they want somebody to do it for them. So you could use, like I said before, Upwork, and then you could make money by proofreading and editing people's work and then giving it back to them, and then in exchange, they pay you for your time. So proofreading and editing articles is a great way to make money from home in 2020. Number 2 is being a YouTuber. So I love being a YouTuber. I have tons of different channels. I do all kinds of different videos. It's honestly one of the best ways to be making money from home in 2020 and beyond, because you're doing everything for free, right? So all you have to do is upload videos onto YouTube, and then over time, YouTube will promote your videos and you're gonna get people looking at your content, and you can do so many different things with YouTube. You could do affiliate marketing. You could sell physical products. You could do Amazon Associates, which is basically partnering with Amazon and selling physical products with Amazon, but getting a commission, so you don't have to handle any of the shipping or anything, and you get the commission for every single time somebody buys through your link. Or you could even use YouTube to sell a course or to sell some kind of service that you offer. Maybe you offer a coaching or a consulting service. You can sell that on YouTube by promoting yourself with content on YouTube. So being a YouTuber is a great way to make money from home in 2020. Now, number 1, my all-time favorite way to make money from home is being an affiliate marketer. So when you're an affiliate marketer, basically what you do is you are the middleman between the person wanting to buy a product and the person selling the product. So you sign up to an affiliate program for a vendor who is selling a product, and you get a certain commission every single time somebody buys that product from your link. And that essentially is affiliate marketing. Now, the only thing in affiliate marketing that you need to worry about is getting that traffic to that link. So that could be through a website, that could be through YouTube, that could be through an email list, that could be through Instagram, that could be through any avenue that you want to get traffic to that link. All you have to do is get traffic to it, and then the vendor actually does all the selling and the customer service for you. So it is the most hands-off way to make money on the internet that I have found. I love it because all I have to do is send people to a link, and then the vendor does all the selling for me. I don't have to do any selling. I don't have to do any customer service. It's a simple, easy business model to make money online from your PJs. Now, I do recommend picking a great affiliate product that earns you a bunch of commissions. When doing Amazon, you only make upwards to 10% per sale. But if you promote something, say like one of my favorite products, Legendary Marketer or ClickFunnels, you actually get a whole lot more money every single time somebody buys from your link, instead of just promoting these simple little products from Amazon. But don't get me wrong, promoting Amazon products can make you a lot of money, and it makes people tons of money on the internet. So those are my 10 favorite work from home jobs that you can make $100 a day with or more in 2020 and beyond. I'm David. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like if you want to. Have a great day.